Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to deactivate Instagram account. So if you want to take a break from Instagram, maybe you want to switch to another account or whatever the reason could be, I'll show you the easiest way to deactivate the Instagram account. So first you have to make sure that you have the Instagram app. Once you have it, simply open it up and make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're onto your home page, now at the bottom you will see your profile icon. You have to simply click onto it. After that, you will get into your profile. There on the top right corner, you will see the three lines. You have to click onto these three lines and you will get to this page which is called settings and activity. Now here you will see this first option called account center. Click onto it and after that you have to scroll down a bit and you will see this option which is personal details. After that you have to select the last option which is account ownership and control, and after that you have to click on this deactivate or deletion and choose the Instagram account that you would like to delete. You may see multiple accounts. If you have so you have to choose the one, and then you will see this first option which is selected deactivate account. You have to click onto it and click on continue. As you click onto this option, it will just take a while into the loading, and after that it will take you to this page where you have to add your Instagram password. Then you have to choose the option why you're deactivating. There are different options you can choose as your preferences. Once you have selected the option, then you have to click on to continue, and after that it will show you some information. You have to read it before you deactivate, like what happened to your data. Then what it do, it automatically deactivate your account after few days. If you don't want it, you can select this last option which is not reactivating your account automatically, and then click on continue, and after that your account will be deactivated and it will take you to the login page where if you would like to again log in, you can do it. Otherwise you can continue with another account, and that's how you can deactivate Instagram account. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You may leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.